What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, pretty exciting day, a little hungover, but we are making the trip over to New Hampshire to my buddy's house. A little while ago, he picked up a S14 project car, and he's just selling some stuff from it. And I figured it'd be a good time to possibly buy some stuff. My Lexus, the Gs300, as you guys all know, the transmission isn't in the best of shape. It's out of a Mark III Supra. It's pretty old. It makes a lot of noise. I mean, it shifts fine. I'm just trying to get something that's going to be better for the long run and for the power that I plan on pushing. So he has a CD09, true CD09 supposedly. So I got to run the numbers when I get there. So he's got a CD09, a brand new spec twin disc clutch and flywheel setup, and a Maverick Motorsports adapter kit. So basically that's just gonna bolt onto my JZ, and then from there I'm gonna have to get a custom drive shaft, probably some shifter shit, and make my own transmission cross member, and then wiring, of course, to make my my tack work, or my speedometer and all that. That's for a later time. Not worried about that too much right now, but I got about 2 hours left, and I guess we'll see what I buy. I might buy a turbo too. I don't know yet. We'll see. All right, so after about 4.5, 5 hours, I finally made it home. Here's what we got. We got this CD09. Looks pretty good. No leaks. Not too sure how many miles are on it, but I'm not going to worry about that. Input shaft looks real nice. It's got a brand new throw bearing on it. Clutch forks on it. Clutch fork looks brand new too. It does have a slave on it, which is nice. I'm just gonna have to get a new line. Or actually, I can make a line to fit this, but I'll probably just get some Chase Bays line or something. It does have, I believe, what short shifter? B&M, maybe? It's blue. But it's got a short shifter on it, which is pretty cool. So that's cool. And then this is basically the rest of the setup I got. So this clutch in the GS, it would have some weird slipping issues here and there. So I was gonna get a twin disc for the R154, but my buddy had this kit, and I just decided to go for it. Of course, this place is a mess. Hold on. So this is a spec super twin disc clutch. Brand new, never used. It was just mounted up in the car, or on the engine rather. Big old boy. Move that over here. Ow. Maverick Motorsports adapter plate. Countersink bolts. I hope I have all of them. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, cool. So I got all the bolts, and I got to do a little bit of research, see what starter I need. But this clutch is definitely beefy. Like I said, it's brand new. You can see the twins in there. Nice billet flywheel. So yeah, that's going to be the next step for the Lexus. Like I was saying, the R154, it's just a little tired. In the future, I do plan on going for some more power, and I know that the R154s can sometimes have some issues, so I figured the next step is either rebuild the R154 or just bring it even further to have some stout drivetrain setup. It needed a clutch. Figured, you know, solid deal. Picked it up for $2,700. Not bad considering it was pretty local. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and order a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna have to make a custom cross member. Probably have to I don't know, get a couple little things, maybe a shifter relocation. I'm gonna have to get a custom drive shaft made and a couple other things, but she should be pretty fun to drive after this. The 6-speed is definitely one of the biggest advantages to this setup, so we'll see how she is.